Hey. It's Reese. Welcome back. Y'all already know for what. A quick little video. So with that being said, we are going to go ahead and jump right into this video. So y'all, when I saw this, I thought that this was the funniest ever, okay? So Jasmine and Chris decide to go ahead and put out a video. Matter of fact, let me read the title to this video. So the title of the video is Surprising My Girlfriend with Groceries and a meal for her and the kids while she's sick. Y'all already know. Chris and Jasmine, if y'all don't go sit down some damn where, but y'all. So y'all remember how in the comments and the lives and everything that they did, and before when Jasmine said she didn't have any food and she came on here, y'all already know how she get down. So everybody in there was saying, well, Chris eat all the food or whatever. Why Chris couldn't buy you no groceries? What type of man is he? And, all of that, right? So Jasmine said, and she was, in the back, I never forget, she said, well, what do they want? Do they literally want you to go and record yourself at the store buying groceries and then bringing them to me and then cooking? So y'all went on and did that young ass shit. Y'all went head on and did that petty ass video with that petty ass title. We still are looking at Chris the same way. We still looking at him. We still don't believe that he actually bought those groceries. We don't believe that shit. We don't believe it at all. We already know that what? We already know, Jasmine, that you have gotten back your food stamps. So what happened is you probably went head on and slid Chris the card so y'all could go ahead and do this petty ass video. I mean, you are happy, he is happy, like, girl, we did that. No, y'all didn't do that. Y'all didn't fake us out. Y'all didn't fake us out at all. But Jasmine, you are just so happy. It makes no sense. You get me? Jasmine, a guy going out that when you are with him and y'all are a companion, y'all are a couple, they're supposed to go and do things like that. That is not something to make a video about. That just makes us look at you like, damn, what type of men have you been dealing with? You have never had a man go and purchase all the groceries for you and then come home and cook you, and you had to put it in there, and your kids dinner? Like he should be winning some type of Nobel Peace Prize. Like he should be winning some type of I am the shit, I am the best boyfriend that you have ever had award. No. He did what any male is supposed to do, that is staying in a home with you, slouching off of you. We look at Chris as a leech. What a leech does is it attaches itself to you and sucks all the blood out of you. And that is what Chris is doing to you. He is attaching his chiclets into you while he is wearing his baseball cap and sucking all of the food stamp money and stimulus money out of you that he can. That is what he's doing. We already know that you are blind, but even if you were not blind, you still have this way of thinking. You would still think this away. It's crazy to me. Very crazy. When I seen the title, I said, wait a minute. This is some embarrassing ass shit to post. Very embarrassing. If you were going to do the video and you wanted to really look like Chris had bought the food, what you should have done was gave him the camera, let him go all around the grocery store as you decided to record him. When you guys got up to the register, go ahead and record the money transaction while walking out to your car. That is when we would have been like, oh, so he really did buy groceries. But with what you are saying in the video that you posted, girl, that's a no-go. We don't believe you. We don't believe your ass at all. And actually, we don't even give a shit, okay? We are just talking about the video and reacting on the video and giving our opinions. That is all we are doing because, girl, we don't believe any of that shit that you are saying. We don't believe it at all. So, what is next? What is next? Next, is it possibly going to be Chris buys Jasmine a new Mountaineer? I can see it, people. I can see it. My boyfriend buys me a new Mountaineer. That is what we are waiting for, okay? Chris and Jazz, that is what we are waiting for, okay? That's what we are waiting for. We want to see some shit like that. We want to see some shit like Chris and Jasmine decide to bomb and spray their entire apartment as well as their Mountaineer for roaches. That is what we want to see. That is what we want to see. Shit like that. You get me? What else do we want to see? Let me think here. Let me see what else we want to see. Let's see Chris's room at the apartment that you say that Chris has. He has his own place. Let's do a tour of Chris's room at his own place. Yeah. Yes. Let's do that. That's the stuff that we literally want to see. That's what we want to see. We want to see videos of you going to the store, getting gift cards, okay, and giving gift cards out or cash apps out to your loyal subscribers that you manipulate into giving you money because they feel sorry for you. We want to see some give backs. That's what we want to see. You said that you were going to do a giveaway and we still have not seen that giveaway. So yeah, we want to see that, Jasmine. We want to see you do a really nice giveaway. That's what we want to see. Preferably not a $30 giveaway. You've got your stimulus bag. Yeah, you've got that bag. Okay? So yeah, I'm pretty sure that you can at least bump that up to $50. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Okay? So that is what we want to see, Jasmine. We want to see that. That would make us happy. That would, grab our attention. But the whole thing about Chris bought you groceries, girl, bye. We don't care. We don't care worth nothing or whatever. We care about him buying you groceries as much as we want to see Chris get into that kitchen and cook. Chris is a total disaster at cooking in that kitchen. Now, it's not, y'all showed it to us. Kristen showed us what he make and how he cook, okay? We've already seen how the penitentiary meals go down in your kitchen. And we, ourselves, are not happy, to see it. Yeah. So what you may want to do is go ahead and tell Chris, look up some recipes, okay? All right. Yeah, do something like that. Because what he has been showing us in that kitchen has been goddamn horrifying. Yes, it has been. Okay? I would not eat any of that shit that he feeds you. And you are standing next to him taking a bite and the food is hot as hell and he sticks it in your mouth. And you are like, I'm looking at the screen like, this girl is just terrible. But anyway, go ahead and, do that for us, Jasmine. I'm going to go ahead and slide on up off of here. And I am going to see you beautiful people in the next video. Later.